Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. And today I'm just I want to configure my GoPro, so I want to start using it. So this is how the GoPro looks like. And first thing is I open. I'm supposed to open here. Oh my god. See. So this is we open it, press upwards, and then you pull down like that. This is how it looks like. And then we first put the memory card. My memory card is not that big, it's just 64 GB. So I first remove the memory card. It's quite sealed. So pause it. Oh, I didn't know you could open it like this. So okay, we remove the memory card, and then we put in the memory card. I hope you can see that. The memory card has gone in pretty well. Then after that, this is the GoPro battery. We put it in. So we put it in like that. And it is done. Then it is beeping. So we can connect to charge it from here. As you can see now it is on. So we can set up the language. Then we agree. Hope you can see. We agree that. And then GPS enables some features. So we put them on. Turn on, control your camera's voice. English, we confirm. So scan, set up on quick app. Where is my phone? We are using the phone to record. So I think we will pause first, then we will. So at this point, you're supposed to download an app called Quick, and then you open that Quick. So you're going to download it from Play Store. Then it will you have to have your Bluetooth on, then you connect with your GoPro, so your GoPro will be searched by the app, and then you will connect. As you can see, mine is connecting. Yeah, connected, and continue to update. While you're opening the GoPro, you will notice that it is indicated you cannot use it before you update. So I clicked update, so it is now updating. So there was a problem when I was updating my GoPro. It refused to update, and there was some issue. So I didn't know the issue exactly, and then the GoPro was kind of overheating, and I thought maybe it's because and when I wanted to switch it off, it could not respond. It was like hanged, like it was not responding. So what I did, I removed the battery, returned the battery, and then I connected it to a charger. I charged for like 2 hours. It was full, and then when I switched it on, it started responding. And as you can see, I've finished with updating. You see, it's now 100%. So now it is installing the update, And so if you have a challenge the first time you are configuring your GoPro, make sure that you first charge your battery. Yeah, you first charge your battery to 100%. So it is now reconnecting. So this was in the process of configuring my GoPro. And so it is a good feeling as I will be able to start my vlogging, and I hope I will be able to give great content. So if you're here for the first time, please subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much, and please do not leave this content without liking. Like. I'm just a small YouTuber starting, and I'm having a lot of things to learn. I'm learning every day. Yeah, it has updated, and now I think I'm good to go. Yeah, so I will be uploading very great content, and thank you so much for staying around. Thank you for so much for considering to watch this until the end. May God bless you so much. And in case you have any issues while you're configuring your GoPro, now I have an experience. You can comment in the comment section and ask any question, and I will be able to assist you. Thank you so much. As I'm a beginner, I may also be able to help other beginners. Thank you so much. We continue growing each and every day. Please consider liking my work. Bye bye.